Bonnie Blue was allegedly rushed to the hospital after 2,000 men in 24 hours. What was supposed to be just another wild social experiment spiraled into something much more darker. Bonnie had signed up for the project willingly, knowing that the art project would be intense. Nobody expected what the cameras would capture next. Allegedly, at hour 17, Bonnie had shown signs of extreme fatigue and whispered to one of her crew members that she was seeing things. After what she said next, it is directly feeding into the succubus theory, claim that somebody else was taking over her body. And allegedly, moments later, her heart rate spiked and she collapsed, and emergency services were called. But this is where it gets even more worser. Allegedly, when doctors reviewed her condition, they found no physical cause, or farther beyond what should be humanly possible. There was allegedly a journal found of hers in her dressing room. She wrote about a shadow figure that would follow her around and whisper stuff that nobody else could hear. That the project is shut down and that the footage will never see the light of day. Because allegedly, everybody that was participating had felt the presence. This is all alleged. Would you ever want to see this footage?